Hi, this is James Abraham with Warehouse Lighting. I appreciate you tuning into our channel. If you don't mind, please subscribe to us. We'll be coming out with new products and kind of giving you an idea of things we've got going on. Right now I'm going to show you the Aries I-UFO. Comes in a 100 watt, a 150 and a 200 watt. Has several mounting options available. We're going to kind of go into some details on that. A lot of color options. This fixture is great for using in industrial spaces, retail spaces, commercial spaces. It is dimmable, 0 to 10 volt dimming. It's an integrated driver UFO fixture, which really just means that the driver is embedded in the casting itself, which is a magnesium aluminum alloy heatsink, which you can see here. These fixtures have been tested for heating anywhere from a -40 to up to a 122 Fahrenheit. Several of them that are pictured here this is the 100 watt. I have them mounted to the different reflector options. There's a couple 200 watts and a 150. The 150 it's a little bit bigger. The 150 and the 200 are a little bit bigger. It's about almost 11 inches wide, where the 100 watt, this one, is much smaller. Doesn't need to be heat sinked as much because it's not as hot as the rest of them, and it's about 9 inches wide. They have several different options. We have them right now in a 5000K, which is a brighter, whiter light. We are getting them in 4000K down the road here. It is a Cree SMD chip 2835 version of that. It's got a minimum life hours of 50,000, so you should have this fixture for easily a good 10 years, easily. You know, it's 150 lumens per watt. So what that tells you is this 100 watt is 1500 lumens, which is real bright. It would be good to replace anywhere from a 150 metal halide fixture to a 275, somewhere in that area. The 150 watt is 22,500 lumens, which would really replace any of those like 6 lamp T8s, 6 lamp T5s, 4 lamp T5s, anywhere in that ballpark. Would really change anywhere from a 250 to a 400 watt metal halide, to give you an idea on that. And then the 200 watt is really anything above that. It would replace your 400s and up, and that would be metal halide. It would replace your 6 lamp T5s to your 8 lamp T5s or 8 lamp T8 fixtures when we're talking about old fluorescent language. It does have a 5-year warranty. The good thing about the integrated driver is, on usual UFO fixtures, I mean, the driver's really integrated the way it is. They can't really replace a driver on it because of how it's configured into the fixture. Same with these. If there's a warranty issue, we just send you a new fixture. It makes it real easy for everyone, and allows you to get a good value for your money, because we're going to stand behind our products. The hanging options, as shown here, we got a hook option. We have a conduit box mounting option, and we have the bracket mount, which is great for mounting directly to a ceiling or directly to purlins or whatever you need to mount to. Conduit, we all know what that is. It's basically a conduit mount box. It mounts on the fixture. It has certain selections. I may be getting into too much detail here, but it has certain selections on the wattage fixture. You have to change a piece on the back side so that it marries up, and then it screws down, and then you can mount it through the conduit. Kind of a really nice option for this fixture, because a lot of people are looking for that conduit mount option when it comes to it. And this allows you to mount it directly to a J-box or mount it directly to whatever conduit you have coming down there. It's installed. It's got a 6-foot whip already installed on it. and it does have plug and wiring options from that. It is a the only issue is with the plug options. Right now, all we have available is a black plug option for the white fixtures. It sounds crazy, but you know, it would just be attached to a white cord. But we do have one coming soon that will replace that as well. And for the black fixtures, we have black cord options for those. So this is DLC pending at this time. It should be changing to DLC approved by the end of January, and this is going to be 2020. We have these coming in now. They are rebate compatible when it comes to the DLC. And if there's any other option or any other questions on this fixture, it also does have a occupancy sensor, not shown here. The occupancy sensor clips directly onto either the fixture itself with a mounting bracket through these. So the one caveat of that is with the sensor option, you cannot use the bracket mount option as well. The only fixtures you can use the sensor mounting or sensor option on are the conduit mount and the hook mount. So from there, it'll give you it's a daylight harvesting and also a motion sensor, and it's a microwave sensor. It'll give you the ability to turn them on and off, you know, with the person in the room or the sunlight in the room. They are dimming, like I said before. It's a 0 to 10, so you do have to buy a different dimmer. You know, Leviton makes them and Lutron makes them, and there's a couple off brands too that, and we can help you with that. We actually have those options available as well. We have several different reflector options for these fixtures. They're also interchangeable. You can use a black one with whatever reflector you want here, or you can use a white one with whatever reflector. They are easy. It's 3 screws. You just change the reflectors around. Right now I have the 100 watt on the acrylic reflector with a conical lens on the bottom. That is available on this acrylic one. We do have it coming for both of these. And that should be here by the end of January 2022. Or I should say also. But that'll clip onto the bottom, much like this does with a ring, and be attached to the bottom so you can close these fixtures. On the reflector options themselves, we have the black reflector. We also have a white reflector on its way, and we have the silver reflector as well as the acrylic. Like I said, they're all interchangeable. You can use a white one with a black one, or you know, whatever. I find they're great in, like, yeah, retail areas with being able to, like, kind of make your own fixture. So, you know, I appreciate you tuning in. We're here to help. If you've got any questions, you're more than welcome to call our office, and we will help you walk through the product, help you figure out how many you need for your project, and you know, help you light your space significantly so people can buy your product or work under your lights. So we appreciate you coming to us. You can find us at www.warehouse-lighting.com. And if you want to talk to a sales consultant here, the number is 888-454-4480. Again, thanks a lot. This is James Abraham with Warehouse Lighting. Please subscribe or like this video. And we will I appreciate it. Thanks. Have a great day. Bye-bye.